Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. Now today we are going to make egg Malai Curry. It's very simple but very tasty. So for that we need eggs. I'm using 5 eggs which I have boiled and cut into halves. I need these are 3 small size onions. With 1 green chili, I made a paste in the mixie. Now green chilies can differ according to your taste. Now this is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some coriander leaves we need, and we need a cup of milk since it's Malai paneer. Now for that I will start by frying my onions. So for that I'm going to put in some ghee into my pan and I'll mix it up with some oil, of course. This is a little high on oil because otherwise your onions will not be able to get fried well, you will not be able to fry your onions well. Let my oil become hot. Now, I put in a little bit of salt whenever I'm frying my onions, because then it splutters, but it's a little less, the spluttering is a little less. My oil is hot. I'm putting in my onion and green chili paste. Fry it nicely. This needs to be fried nicely, because if the onions are raw, it will taste bad. This hardly has any spice, very little on spice. So fry the onions well. This takes a little time. Just fry the onions well. This is a dish that goes very well with roti, naan or paratha. But of course you can have it with rice, you can have it with jeera rice. My jeera rice I have already uploaded, so you can have a look at it. It's very simple, it goes very well with jeera rice. Let it fry nicely. We need to fry it up nicely. I'll start putting my spices. I'll put in about 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of pepper powder. There is no haldi in this, and a little bit of jeera powder. About 1.5 teaspoons of jeera powder. We have ground green chilies, so I can get the spice from there. Fry it nicely. As the onions are frying, this will also get fried. Put in your ginger garlic paste. If you don't want to put ginger garlic paste separately, you can grind it together with the onion. Needs to be fried up nicely. Fried up. Now I'll just switch off my gas because I'm going to add the milk to it. This is a cup of milk. You can lower your gas or Just switch it off to be on the safe side. I'll switch on my gas. Stir it nicely. Give it a good stir. This gravy will thicken a little once you're stirring it nicely. A little bit of garam masala powder. This is optional. If you want to, you do it. Otherwise, you can not put it also. It has a nice white look, and a very creamy texture. That's why it's called egg malai curry. Now it is already becoming thick. Put in my eggs. Put it the yolk side down. Very carefully. It's become nice and thick. The gravy is nice and thick. Don't disturb them too much. We serve it with a lot of coriander leaves. A lot of coriander leaves. Gives a very nice fresh flavor. We'll switch it off because now it's time to serve your dish. Lift them up very carefully. Serve some gravy on top and a little more of coriander leaves. Do subscribe to our channel, friends, and bye for now.